A ella le gusta, a ella le gusta, a ella le gusta, a ella le gusta.
Let go.
A mí me gusta. A ella le gusta.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today, I decided to create this smoky look right here that is super perfect for any party or special event. I had a lot of fun creating this look. I don't usually wear smoky eyes like this. I don't usually wear color on my eyes, and this is a nice blue smoky eye. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos and give this video a thumbs up if you like this smoky eye right here. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, just keep on watching. Alright, so to begin, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to just put that on my eyelids and create a clean canvas for the colors that we're going to put on top. This will just get rid of any discoloration and just make your eyeshadow colors really pop. Now for the first shadow, I'm going to be taking this one right here. This one is MAC and it's called Saddle. It's a nice warm brown, a little bit on the darker side, and it's a very good transition shade. So I'm going to be taking that on a fluffy brush like this one, and I'm going to be placing it on the crease area. I'm trying to drag it a little bit more on the outer side, just so that when we put all the other colors, this kind of peeks through. Now once we've done that, I'm going to move on to the lid color, and the lid color I'm going to be using today is this one by Lancôme. This is a nice blue shade. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, not too much, but it's very vibrant. It's pretty much a true blue, and this is in the color, it's called Garment. So I'm going to take it with a brush. This one is by Urban Decay, and I'm basically going to pack that on. Make sure that you're really packing on the color where your lash line meets your lashes so that you don't have any gaps. Don't worry if it looks really messy at first. It's supposed to look messy, and then as we keep blending it, everything will fall into place. So don't worry if you look like you just got punched in the eye. So once we have packed on the blue color, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. This one is by MAC, and it's in the shade Plumage. It's a nice, it's more of a greenish blue, but this will also act as a transition shade between the blue and the brown that we put on before. So I'm going to take it with a tapered blending brush, and I'm mainly going to focus this where the blue meets the brown, so in this area right here. Now I'm just going to go back in with the blue and pack any color that was kind of lost when we were blending, and then blend again with the Plumage shade. Just being patient, you really have to work the colors, blend them, then reapply them so that you get your desired intensity. So after that, I'm going to be taking this shade once again, and I'm going to be blending all of the edges out with a very soft hand. Alright, so now I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe, and clean all of the fallout. This will also help give shape to the look, so basically just dragging that up. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to the face, and to prime the skin, I'm gonna be using this Glamglow moisturizer. It's a moisturizer slash primer, and it really helps with making the skin glow. So I'm going to take some of that and smooth it all over my skin. Now for foundation today, I'm going to be using this one right here. This is the Ysl All foundation, and this is in the shade BD50 Warm Honey, and I'm going to apply it to the skin. I'm going to be using a Real Technique sponge to blend that out. Once we have applied our foundation, I'm going to be taking this concealer. This is Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to be using this to conceal any discoloration on my face or any blemishes that I may have, just in those areas. I'm also going to use this concealer underneath the eyes. but I'm gonna mix that with a lighter shade to highlight. Alright, now immediately you want to take your translucent powder and set your concealer so that it does not crease. So I'm going to be taking this Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to be taking quite a bit just to bake underneath. So I'm going to place that there. While it's baking under there, I'm going to be taking a pencil brush. This is a Sigma Pencil E30 brush, and I'm going to be taking all of the colors that we used on our eyes. I'm going to take them down on the lower lash line and kind of smoke them out. I'm going to do it in the same order. I'm going to take the brown one first, this one right here. Then take the blue. And then this one right here. For my waterline, I'm going to be taking a black eyeliner pencil. This one is by L'Oreal, and I'm just going to line the waterline. To make sure that it's nice and blended, I'm going to take the pencil brush again and just kind of smoke that out. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to be applying these lashes right here. These are the Sephora lashes in number 33. Now to blend the falsies with my real lashes, I'm just going to be taking some mascara, any mascara, and just coat the lashes so that they mix. And I'm also going to be applying mascara to my lower lash line. Now to highlight the inner corner, I'm going to be using this shade right here. This is the shade Phloof by MAC, and it's a nice pinky champagne-y shimmer. So I'm going to be taking a small brush and placing that right on the inner corner. Just to give some light to the eye. I'm also going to put a little bit underneath the brow bone. Now we're going to move back into the face, and I'm just going to take a pressed powder. This is the Fit Me powder and a large powder brush, and set the rest of my face. To bronze the skin, I'm going to be using this new bronzer by Too Faced. Well, it's new to me. It's been out for a while, but I've never tried it before, and it looks like this. It smells absolutely incredible. It smells just like chocolate. I really like, every time I smell it, it's like I want to eat it. Of course, I'm not going to eat it. I'm going to be taking a small contour brush to apply this. I just want to clean up my contour, so I'm going to take more of the powder. I'm just going to place it underneath the contour, so right here, so that everything looks more clean at the end. I don't do this all the time. I only do it when I'm doing my makeup for an event, or I want my makeup to look more put together, so I want that flawless finish. I usually do this when I want that, but for an everyday, I'm not going to be putting a lot of powder on because I don't want to look too made up. But for this makeup, since it's more dramatic, I think it would look so good if you do this. For blush, I'm going to be taking this one right here. This is Milani Luminoso blush, and I'm going to place it on the apples of my cheeks. I'm basically just blending everything together with this large brush. To highlight my cheekbones, I'm going to be using the same shade that I used on my inner corner, but I'm just going to use a brush like this one. This is a tapered highlighter brush, and I'm going to very slightly dip into it, not a lot, because this shadow, it's very pigmented and very shimmery. Taking a little bit and apply it just at the top. Now I'm just taking the Laura Mercier lip pencil in the shade Chestnut to line my lips, and I am also going to fill in my lips with that as well to create a base for the lipstick. I'm going to be taking this lipstick right here. This is the Maybelline Matte Sensational lipstick, and this is in the color Nude Nuance. It's just a dark nude, and I'm gonna tap this on my lips. Now I'm not gonna swipe it, I'm just gonna tap it so to get a little bit of the color. Now for the very last step, I'm going to be taking a hydrating mist and set all of the powder so that we don't look cakey, so that everything can just blend and melt into the skin. So this is the finished look right here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to give a big shout out to this bronzer right here because I think it is amazing. First of all, it smells like heaven to me because I love chocolate and this smells just like chocolate. It blends super well. The color is really nice if you like more of a warm toned bronzer. I have no bad things to say about it because the color payoff is really good, the blendability is really good, the scent is amazing, and the packaging is super cute. So I highly recommend this bronzer for any of you girls who are my skin tone. But that is it for today. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys on the next video.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink. Swalla la la.